In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to find and copy Binance Smart Chain or simply the BSC wallet address in your Binance using QR code. So first, you need to open your Binance application, and once you are in, make sure you have a verified account for you to be able to do this process. In my case, I'm not a verified on Binance, but you can follow these steps because it has the same steps if you are verified. So after that, you need to navigate to the assets section, which is located at the bottom right corner of your screen, and just simply click for the add funds and click the deposit crypto under the I have crypto assets. And once you're in, use the search bar to utilize and find for your BSC network. For example, BNB coin is supported on BSC wallet address or network. Just simply search for BNB. And once you see it already, just simply click in. And you can now choose your network, whether it is Ethereum, BSC, or BNB Smart Chain, which is we are going to copy this wallet address. So, click the BNB Smart Chain, which is the BEP20, for you to able to find your unique wallet address in Binance with QR code. So, as you can see, you cannot see any wallet address in my case because I'm not yet verified on Binance, but if you are verified already, you can see your unique wallet address, which is typed in alphanumeric or even in your QR code. So that's how you find and copy Binance Smart Chain wallet address in Binance. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.